Do you want to create a professional LinkedIn account? Are you ready to establish a solid online presence and connect with millions of professionals worldwide? This is the right place for you. In the next 7 minutes, you're going to learn a step-by-step process to create a LinkedIn account that stands out. Firstly, navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. When you're there, begin the journey by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill in your email address or phone number and create a strong password. Remember, your password should be unique and hard to guess to ensure the safety of your account. Secondly, it's time to input your personal details. LinkedIn will ask for your name, location, and industry. Be honest and accurate with these details, as they form the foundation of your professional identity. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your email address or phone number. A verification code will be sent to the email or phone number provided. Enter this code to verify your account. The fourth step is to create a compelling headline. This is a brief professional summary that appears under your name. It should encapsulate who you are professionally in a concise yet engaging way. Following that, you will be prompted to add your experience. Start with your current position and then work backwards. Include the company name, your title, and the dates you were employed. Don't forget to highlight key responsibilities and achievements in each role. Next, add your education history. Include the schools you attended, the degrees you earned, and the years you were there. This adds credibility to your profile and shows potential employers your academic background. The seventh step is to add skills to your profile. LinkedIn allows you to list up to 50 skills. Choose those that best represent your abilities and expertise. Lastly, ask for recommendations and endorsements from colleagues, managers, or clients. This not only validates your skills, but also strengthens your profile. Now, you've created your professional LinkedIn account. Remember, the key is to be honest, detailed, and compelling. Your LinkedIn account is your online professional identity. Make sure it represents you well. To summarize, creating a professional LinkedIn account involves, it may seem like a lot of steps, but each one plays a crucial role in creating a LinkedIn account that stands out. Remember, a well-crafted LinkedIn profile can open doors to opportunities and connections. If you need further guidance, Weptech Academy is here for you. We offer a comprehensive course that will guide you through the process of creating a professional LinkedIn account. You can reach us on the phone at +2 3 765 430 5730 or visit our website at weptechacademy.com. Create your LinkedIn account today and start connecting with professionals around the world.